So Veronica suggested this hike. Beautiful. That's a cliff. We're not going down there. There's my family. Well, my sister and her little dog, well, big dog, Emma. And then we've got Lily hiking up the trail. And I'm going to turn around so you can see the rest. Should do a panorama. I think I will. What is this thing called?
You're mine. No, ma'am. Come on.
That's a waterfall. It's frozen. And oh no. Oh no, he's not gonna
Crash.
Oh. Okay. So we're coming to the end of our hike. Sorry it's so bouncy. I'm using an iPhone. Anyway, my phone was too cold to film, and I had to keep it close to my body in order to film this little bit. So yeah, it's pretty cold today.